For many Covington homeowners, indoor comfort begins with proper ventilation. Whether it's reducing humidity, circulating fresh air, or clearing out lingering odors, the right windows can make a big difference. That's why casement windows have become one of the most popular choices in Covington homes. Known for their unmatched airflow and user-friendly design, casement windows offer ventilation benefits that other window styles simply can't match. If you're looking to improve your home's air quality, comfort, and energy efficiency, here's why casement windows stand out as the ideal option for Covington residents. Wide open ventilation for maximum fresh air. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that open partially, casement windows swing outward like a door. This design allows the window to open fully, from top to bottom, creating one of the largest ventilation openings available in residential windows. Benefits include greater airflow through the entire window opening, faster exchange of stale indoor air for fresh outdoor air, a more comfortable home during Covington's warm, humid months when you want a strong breeze. No window performs better than a casement. Angled openings capture natural breezes. One of the unique advantages of casement windows is their ability to catch and direct airflow into your home. Because the sash opens outward, it can act like a scoop, pulling breezes inside even on days when airflow is minimal. This is especially useful in Covington's climate, where humidity can build up indoors. Still or warm days can make homes feel stuffy. Natural airflow helps reduce reliance on air conditioning. By guiding cool outdoor air into your home, casement windows improve ventilation without increasing energy usage. Ideal for hard-to-reach spots like kitchens and bathrooms. Kitchens and bathrooms need extra ventilation to reduce odors, heat, and moisture. Casement windows are perfect for these areas because they are easy to open, even in tight or elevated spaces. Homeowners love casement windows because they operate with a simple hand crank. You don't need to push or lift the sash. They fit well above sinks, counters, or tubs. This ease of use encourages more frequent ventilation, improving overall air quality in moisture-prone rooms. A tight seal when closed for better efficiency. High airflow doesn't mean poor insulation. When closed, casement windows form one of the tightest seals of any window style due to their compression lock mechanism. This tight seal helps reduce drafts, block outdoor pollutants, maintain consistent indoor temperatures, improve energy efficiency year-round. In Covington's mix of hot summers and cool winters, this dual benefit, excellent airflow when open and strong insulation when closed, makes casement windows an ideal choice. Effective at reducing indoor humidity. Humidity is a common challenge in Covington, especially during the summer months. Without proper ventilation, moisture can accumulate indoors, creating issues like mold and mildew growth, warp wood surfaces, stuffy, uncomfortable indoor air. Casement windows allow homeowners to quickly release humid air and let dry, fresh air flow through the home. This natural humidity control can help protect your home and improve comfort. Improved indoor air quality. Casement windows help flush out indoor pollutants such as cooking fumes, cleaning chemicals, dust, and allergens, pet odors. Because they open fully, they allow more fresh air to circulate, improving indoor air quality and creating a healthier environment, especially important for families with allergies or respiratory concerns. Enhanced home comfort with less energy use. Many Covington homeowners appreciate that casement windows can help reduce dependence on air conditioning. With better natural airflow, homeowners can cool their homes naturally during mild days. This means lower utility bills, less strain on HVAC systems. The more environmentally friendly home. Casement windows provide comfort while supporting energy efficiency. A superior choice for airflow in Covington homes. For Covington homeowners who value fresh air, better ventilation, and improved indoor comfort, casement windows are a clear winner. Their ability to open fully, capture breezes, control humidity, and improve air quality makes them one of the most effective window styles on the market. If you're ready to enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home with superior airflow, casement windows are an upgrade you'll appreciate every day.